cannon's not gonna wake anyone up, is it?
I sent Rex to the basement to get the cordless phone. So now we just need to find Andy's cell phone. Then, when we call it...
Andy will find us with the phone and play with us one last time.
I like it, cowboy.
Yee-haw! Let's do this.
I could do that.
Hey!
Yeah.
Ha!
Hey, hey, howdy, hey!
Woohoo!
Calm down, help is here.
Woohoo!
Greetings. I am Buzz Lightyear.
Thanks for the lift.
Ah!
Wah-ha!
Greetings. I am Buzz Lightyear.
Hey there.
Woohoo! Hey! Ha!
What's all the racket? Oh, hey. Wow, I haven't found Andy's cell phone, but...
Ready when you are, partner.
Hey, howdy, hey. I'm Woody.
Great, we got the cell phone. Now we just need to call it from the home phone.
Rex is still MIA.
And hasn't brought back the cordless phone.
We better see what's keeping him. Come on.
Ah!
Yee-haw!
There's the cordless phone. But how are we going to get it down?
Sir, I believe we can help. My men are deployed throughout the room but tied up at the moment. If you can free them, they'll get that phone down safely. Guaranteed.
Thanks, Sarge.
Men, where are you? Sound off!
Right here, Sarge.
I'm up here, sir.
Here, sir!
Over here.
Yes! Woohoo!
I made it!
Come on!
I don't need any help. Ha!
Oh, great! Calm down. Help is here.
Yes! I made it!
Yee-haw! Yee-haw! Yes! Woohoo! Yee-haw!
Yes! Yes!
Good work. Get that phone to Andy's room. We'll find Rex and catch up with you there.
Yes, sir. You heard him, men. Move, move, move!
Around here somewhere, Zerg.
Rex, you were supposed to get the phone and come right back.
No!
The Buzz Lightyear game.
We haven't played this in years.
Yeah, I made it to the Gamma Quadrant. I'm almost to Zerg's fortress.
Guys, come on. We need to get back.
Rex, we know you can defeat him. Just do it quickly.